All right, hey, good morning. This is the review for these over sequences series, arithmetic, geometric, or neither. And that's what the first 5 questions are. Just tell me which type of sequence it is. And one thing that you need to remember is this. If it's arithmetic, I wrote a very good writer. Basically, you have a D where the common difference is the same. If it's geometric, there'll be a common R or ratio for all of them. And neither would just be simply not one of those other two. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I want to go look at each problem. This one went up by 3. This one went up by 6. 12. Oh, I think I see the answer already. Notice, this one seems to be being multiplied by 2. And if I take 6 and divide it by 3, I get 2. 12 divided by 6, I get 2. I believe all of those divided by the previous term. And that's how you determine it. It didn't go up by the same amount. So I know the common ratio is 2, so this one is geometric. Right? This one's going up by 3, 5, 7, 9, I already know 11. I think we talked about that. If I take 4 divided by 1, I get 3. But 9 divided by 4 makes like 2.25. I know it's not. There was not a common difference. There was not a common ratio. Therefore, I know this one is neither. And for those of you that have done a couple of these, you might recognize that as actually a what? N squared. All right? This one, see, seems to be going up 3, 3, 3, 3. Notice they're all going up by the same. So I know the difference is 3 between each one of these. If you were to subtract them, 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 7. Any of you put together, they're going to be 3. So this one is arithmetic. That's how you can tell on it. This one here, see, seems to be going up by 5, 5, 5. And if I take each of these, like 5 minus 0 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. I mean, the common difference, all the same. D is going up by 5. This one is also arithmetic. Now let's look at our last one. Ooh. Well, I can tell by adding them, it's not going to go up the same. First off, they're alternatively negative and positive. So that automatically tells me it's not going to be an arithmetic. Because we're not, one time we're going up, the next time we're going down. Up, and probably after that down. But we can determine if it's geometric or not. Ratios, although I think I got a pretty good idea what this one is. I can see the pattern in it myself. But first off, let's just do this here. Let's take 1/16 and divide it by negative 1/4. And how do you do fractions? You divide by the reciprocal. So you're going to have negative 1/16, we multiply by the reciprocal, so you're going to times negative 4 over 1, that one's not negative, which will give me a negative 4 over 16, which is negative 1/4. So let's try the next one. Let's take negative 1/64 divided by 1/16, which you're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the second one, times 16 over 1. Well, that's going to end up with negative 16 over 64, which is negative 1/4. There was a common ratio here to here, here to there, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be one right there, but let's just test it out to be sure. We'll take a shortcut. 1 over 256 divided by negative 164 will be the same as multiplying by negative 64 over 1. And I know negative 64 over 256 does reduce to negative 1/4, meaning this one is geometric. Basically, the way you tell, subtract them and see if there's a common difference all the way across. If there is, it's arithmetic. Divide them, and if there's a common ratio, it's geometric. And if it's neither one of those, it's a neither. Very simple.